Hi, Sparkles friends. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications for my next video. Without further ado, let's make Father's Day cards. Yay! We're gonna make Father's Day tie cards. They're gonna be so beautiful. But first, we're going to need some material. So here we go. We're gonna need Daddy's tie. So you guys find Daddy or Grandpa or Uncle or brother's tie. Push pause to go get Daddy's tie. Okay, you got it? Great. Now, you're going to need construction paper, you guys. Any color. Your daddy's favorite color. My daddy's favorite color is green, so I'm going to use green. You can use blue or red or even printer paper, which is white, if you don't have construction paper. All right. You guys got it? Okay. Then you're gonna need scissors. Make sure you have your scissors, you guys. You're gonna need tape. You're gonna need a pencil. Or a marker. Or a pen. And glue. Yes, glue. And then you're gonna need something beautiful to decorate your tie. I'm gonna use stars, but you guys can use stickers. You guys can color it with crayons. You can do anything you want to do with your beautiful, beautiful tie for your dad for Father's Day. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your dad's tie. I have my dad's tie. You have yours? You're going to put Daddy's tie on the construction paper. Just like this. You see? Put on construction paper, friends. Sparkles friends, put on construction paper. Now, you're going to use your pencil or your pen or your marker to trace Daddy's tie. So I'm going to trace Daddy's tie right now. So I'm going to press onto the tie like this. And then I'm going to, I want you guys to see this. I'm going to trace it just like that. I'm tracing around Daddy's tie. Okay? After you're done tracing, you're gonna grab 2 pieces of construction paper and you're going to cut Daddy's tie. See how I'm cutting? I'm cutting Daddy's tie. Okay, I'm cutting, I'm following the lines. Make sure you're looking with your eyes and using the open, shut them method. Open, shut them, open, shut them, open, shut them. all the way down to the end of Daddy's tie. See? I have the back of Daddy's tie and the front of Daddy's tie. Now I'm going to put some tape so I can attach the two pieces together. So I have my tape. And I am going to tape it right here on the top, you guys. See that? Tape right on the top, super easy. And I'm gonna tape Daddy's tie together. Woo! You guys got it? All right. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up Daddy's tie. I'm gonna write a message. I'm gonna say Happy Father's Day, love Sparkle. You could say whatever you wanna say. So let's spell Happy Father's Day together. Let's start with happy. H, A, P, P, Y. Let's spell father. F, A, T, H, E, R. And then you can do apostrophe, a little line up top, and S for Father's Day. And let's spell day. D-A-Y. Okay. After you put Happy Father's Day, should look something like this. Okay. You're going to put love. Let's spell love. L-O-V-E. Apostrophe. And then I'm going to write my name, Sparkle. S-P-A-R-K-L-E. Sparkle friends, you write your name. Don't write Love Sparkle. Write your name for your daddy. All right. Now, let's have fun. Let's decorate the front of our tie. I'm going to use stars and I'm going to use glue. Right? So I'm going to go ahead and take out some glue. I don't have Elmer glue. I'm using actually Tacky's glue. You can get this from like a Michael's or Target. Elmer's glue works perfectly fine, guys. You don't need Tacky glue. It's just that I ran out of Elmer's glue, and this is all I have. So any kind of glue will work, friends. Any kind of glue. Okay? So don't worry. I don't have Tacky glue. Don't worry about that. If you have crayons, you can color Daddy's tie-in. If you have markers, you can make lines or color it. If you have stars, you can put stars on it. If you have stickers, you can put stickers on top of your Daddy's tie. I'm actually going to go ahead and put stars on Daddy's tie. So here I am. I'm just going to, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm gluing it one by one. Right? Just gluing. You guys, Father's Day is coming up. Father's Day is on Sunday. Write in the comments how you're going to celebrate your Daddy's Day. And take pictures of your art project. I would love to see your ties. Send them to me, please. You guys, this took us less than 5 minutes? Super easy project. Daddy would love it. Super, super easy. Doesn't have to be perfect. Almost done, you guys. I'm just placing stars on my tie for my dad. I'm almost finished, friends. Are you almost finished too? And ta-da! I did it. I'm finished with my tie. You did it. Great job. See you next time. Bye. Bye, friends.